Okay, here's a 450 Holley. I'm not going to tell you what the number is because they make lots of 450. This is Carburetors and More. They make 450s and various different numbers, but the main thing is a 450 CFM. That's how much air can go down through here at wide open throttle. They usually only have one vacuum port on them. That's this thing right here, and that's for your distributor. There's nothing else. So if you need one with more ports, don't buy a 450. And if you need one with a Ford kickdown, don't buy one, because usually they've got nothing. They're usually for stick shifts or General Motors cars or something that don't need a shift lever on a carburetor. They got two mixture screws, one here, one there. They got external fuel adjustments. This is a manual choke, so I don't need to tell you how to set that. But there's another video on the website that tells you how to set the electric choke. And the vacuum secondary. When we start it up, we've already got a preset of the mixtures to get around 12 parts of air to 1 part of gas, which is a good mixture. We're also going to do a high pressure test on the fuel pump to see how much pressure these bowls will take before the carburetor floods. We like to set them up with 3 pounds pressure, but your normal pump's probably going to put out 6 or 7, so we'll see if it'll hold under those extreme pressures. This one here has got one accelerator pump there, look like about 30 cc's. That's all you need to know. Set your timing correctly. If you've got a good motor, this carburetor will run good. Here we go. Okay, that red light right there is calculating. The blinking light means it's under calculation. The red light means it's stopped. That's not the proper signal yet. It's calculating. When that red light goes out, that means it has completed its cycle of calculation. There it is. And there's 12. I mean, how much more perfect did you get it? Now, as you accelerate this thing, mixture gets thinner because you don't need as much fuel for air. See what I'm telling you? It'll go all the way up. The more you accelerate, the thinner and thinner and thinner it gets, because the faster you go, the less it takes to keep the thing going. The ignition's overcome. Okay, now we're going to do our fuel pump trick. Okay. Hang on. Let it get back where it's nice and nice. Okay, kick it on high pressure there. We're going to jump it up to 9 pounds. That needle drops off real quick. You will have to have a regulator. As you can see, you're good to go. You can run it with your normal fuel pump up to about 5 or 6 pounds and be fine. They run better at 3 though. You get better gas mileage and better performance, more uniform if you buy a regulator. We use a Holley brand 12-804. We do not sell them. I have today for about $20–30. Okay, we're going to get this in and ship it out to a happy customer, and we got a few more just like it. So buy one for yourself.